Welcome back to Average Mike's, guys, and today we are looking at my front door. It's been neglected over the last couple years. I haven't really messed with it, and this solid wood door is really in bad shape. So my options were to sand this down by hand or with a Dremel, getting in all the little moldings and what have you. It was going to take a long time. I actually started doing that initially maybe a year or so ago, but it just was not turning out too hot. But I think I found the solution, and that is what we're going to be doing a product review on today. What is up, guys? Before we start this video, I'm proud to announce that we just opened up our new merch store. It's teespring.com/stores/Average Mike. The link will be in the description below, and it'll also be up here if it lets me. At that link, you will find cool memorabilia like this one I'm wearing here, t-shirts, hoodies, coffee mugs, blankets, water bottles, all different colors, all different sizes. So please go ahead, consider taking a look. Support your boys here, help our channel grow, and also get some cool merch while you're at it. But for now, let's go ahead and continue with our video. You've seen the door, you've seen how gross it is. It obviously needs a coat of stain, polyurethane, or a good coat of exterior paint. We were planning on doing the stain just like it was, polyurethane. But how are we going to prep the surface for the stain? Obviously you don't want it blotchy, so we need to really get all the old stained polyurethane off down to a natural finish. So what I ended up doing, and the solution to that problem, is this right here. It is the Central Pneumatic 20-pound pressurized abrasive blaster. What this is going to do is hook up to our air compressor, and we have some walnut shell media. Also, both of these coming from Harbor Freight. It's going to work out well. It actually has multiple purposes. Don't tell my wife this, but yes, we bought this for the front door so that front door will look good. But I've been eyeing this up for the garage because with the different abrasives, and walnut shell being one of them, we could use it to clean off rust off of car parts or frames or what have you. I wish I would have had this for my S10 frame restoration or rejuvenation, if you will. That'll be up and linked above to that project, the S10 project. But for today, yes, we're going to review, open from the box here, building it, and even doing a little spot on the door to see how well it works. So let's go ahead and unbox this sucker, get it built, and get it put to the test.
everything is, I feel like a pipe master now, a pipe fitter, whatever you would like to call it. But we had a lot of connections. There's a lot of valves. I don't know why, but whatever. I guess it's better maybe to have a valve instead of not to have a valve, but at the same time, it you know, it's more things to break, right? So, but anyway, everything is connected. All the valves are shut off. I have my 30 gallon, I'm not sure, compressor over there. It's all fired up, ready to go. We connected our lines here. It's pretty the instructions weren't great, I will admit, but I was able to fumble through it, and it looks like everything is lined up where how it's supposed to go. We do have this hose here. This is our feed hose. I thought maybe this wouldn't reach to the top, but it looks like it does, so that's good. So let's go ahead and test this out. So I guess the first thing we'll do is hit this valve. This is for the air supply. That'll give air down to this line. This is the air to the media. Kind of give that there. That's good. You want to inspect for any leaks. After that all calmed down, I don't hear anything, which is good. I don't think this shouldn't have anything coming. I guess this would have air. Might be a little bit of a leak. These hose clamps might need to be tightened up a little bit, honestly. I was using, if you saw, I was using the adjustable wrench to tighten those up just because I was too lazy to go get a screwdriver. But let's go ahead and kick this one on. This should give us access to the media, and let's give it a whirl. So we're gonna try this out on a little spot over here, and this will be our on and off. So let's turn it on. Uh-oh, I think we're clogged. That fast, I think we're clogged. All right, give me a second here. This is pretty much the end result. I might try to get a couple little spots here and there, but all in all, this is what the walnut shell abrasive does. You may see me had trouble with getting clogged. That was absolutely the case. Come to find out, we have 4 of these. I actually broke one. They're porcelain, it seems. So, and they're all different sizes. So I had, I guess, the 3rd largest hole or orifice. There was one a little bit larger. Once I put that in there, it was good to go. for the most part. You do have to mess around with a lot of these valves, you know, especially this one down here, which puts the abrasive into the tube. I didn't put that at full throttle. I felt like that was what maybe was helping with the clogging. The orifice definitely helped solve that issue though, but I never had this at full capacity because it was just too much in the hose for that to handle. So all in all, right now I think we're going to be okay with this. I kind of like the results. I wish it was a little less blotchy, but I think that's just, you know, the stain getting into the wood, and I don't know if you're going to get that out, but it definitely is smooth, smooth to the touch, and we can stain it from there and polyurethane it. I just have to do the rest of the door. So all in all, I think this was a win. If you want to watch me complete this door, that's coming in your next video, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and that will alert you when that video for this door comes out. We will be using this again to finish the entire door, and then go ahead and finish the door. So yeah, till then, again, make sure you subscribe, turn on post notifications, like if you like this video, comment below if there's something if you have one of these, you can help me out. But I think I kind of got it down pat. So we'll get back to this, and catch you guys in the next video. Later.